Introducing the Webcaster Gun, the only professional cobwebbing system developed with the home haunter in mind. To begin, simply plug in the Webcaster Gun, insert a Webcaster stick and allow to warm up. Plug in your air compressor, adjust the airflow, and squeeze the trigger slowly. The Webcaster Gun is perfect for Halloween decorating, front porches, garages, theater groups, schools, haunted houses, and video productions. The Webcaster Gun, the original professional cobwebbing gun, is developed with the home and professional haunter in mind, delivering high-performance professional results with more webbing per hour. And now, get ready for the Webcaster Gun 2. This brand new gun is designed for the ultimate home haunter desiring amazing results. By utilizing the air power of the blower port from any size shop vacuum, your setup is over in 3 easy steps. For the Webcaster Gun 2, plug in your gun, insert your Webcaster stick and allow to warm up. Attach the air hose to your vacuum's blower port, attach the hose to the hose adapter on the gun, and turn on your vacuum. Now, you're ready to go. Cobwebs are sometimes one of the most difficult and overlooked parts of Halloween decorating, but now that's a thing of the past. This is the new, safe, and fun way to do just that. Most importantly, it's easy to clean in a matter of seconds. The Webcaster Gun Cobwebbing System, developed by professionals and giving you movie-quality cobweb effects every time.
The X2 pliers from Crescent reach where other pliers fall short. The X2 features a unique double joint construction that lets you reach deep in tight spaces and still open the jaws fully. Conventional pliers can be either too short in length or can't completely open in confined areas because the handles become restricted. X2 extends the jaws to a distance greater than the handle. That means in confined areas, the jaws spread wider, making X2 perfect for holding work and gripping fasteners in hard-to-reach places, removing items from tight spaces, and retrieving objects. And just as you would expect from Crescent, X2 pliers combine smart design with rugged quality. Flush rivets add strength and create a thinner profile. An alloy steel body resists rust and corrosion. Milled grooves in the tips hold fasteners and other objects tight. And dual material grips provide added comfort and help prevent slipping. X2 is available in both straight tip and bent nose. X2 pliers from Crescent. Innovation then and now.